Hello and welcome back to The Broken Doll, and this is a new doll that I'm doing. I took some pictures of her. I've been taking off paint around here. I took some paint off the ear over here. I've been taking paint off of here in the neck area. We have one little area left right in here. Okay, that kind of did it there. Okay, so this one here is ready to be spackled. She's looking pretty good. Oh, we need some help up here. Well, spackling will even help that. I'm trying to reserve milliput just for holes. This is not a hole. This is just a bit of composition missing. So what we're going to do is we're going to just put some spackling up there. So she needs a wipe down. My area needs a wipe down before I can do any more. Now, as far as her limbs are concerned, they're vinyl. She has a vinyl body. So because of that, I don't have to do anything to her body. So let's take a look at it. I got it over here. So let me just walk over here. I'll go get it. And she has a vinyl arms and legs, and so this is pretty good here. Now what I would like to do, I don't think it's going to be possible, so maybe, nah, sometimes you just can't. You know, with a situation like this with the vinyl arms and legs and everything, I don't want to take her stuffing out because this is all, I'm not going to take this off and re-sew this back on. There's just no way. But you know what? We're going to live with this. We're going to put some new glue. I'm going to see if I can get some of this glue off. Some of it if I can. If not, glue on top of it. And we're just going to move on with her body just the way it is, you know. And put her head back on and dress her up. And there she is. She's got a few little toes missing here. But, you know, once you put a little pair of socks and shoes on her, she'll look fine. But, oh, we got a little bit of a, well, if you pat her, get her to scream a little bit. There we go. But this is her body here. So anyway, she's a delight to work on. She's a reliable made in Canada doll. So I'm really happy to see that. I hope you can see. Can you see that in the light? It's really light. I imagine when I get painting this, you're going to be able to see that a lot better. So just stay tuned for the painting day and you'll be able to see this here. I'm taking it as a reliable. That's what I'm getting out of it. Made in Canada. Yeah, oh yeah, it's reliable. But anyways, yep, so this fine little gal is going to get spackled and some dressing, get her dressed and, you know, get her painted, and she's going to look wonderful. We got a few little places here, back here on her head, that just needs to be taken care of. But we'll give her a whole wipe down, you know, the whole 9 yards. She's not going to go without anything. Now, where did I put my... Here it is, right over here. Okay, whoa, whoa, whoa. Now, our company is going to be leaving tomorrow. So we had 5 days of them with them here, and it was quite nice. And they're going to be coming again in October, and they want to spend Halloween here with us, which I thought was wonderful. So, there we go. There we go, got that off. Want some more up here. You really just, you don't want to lay the sander up here, because this is where the molded hair is. So I just tap it on top. There we go. I don't want to get too heavy with it. There we go. There. Looks really nice. Alright, so this is the next one coming up now. So a lot of wonderful stuff coming. I just want to keep the dolls moving. And we'll see how she goes. And yeah, I'm really happy with her here. She has an open, but yet the mouth is not open to have teeth or anything, or a tongue. So we'll just paint that all inside. She'll look really, this is the first time of myself working with a mouth like this. Normally the mouth is open and you can put teeth and a tongue in there. Or did she miss the punch where they punched that out? I don't know. Maybe this is just how she is and I don't really care. I think it's nice to have one like this. I have not done one like this before. Huh. I just noticed that now, but she's going to be a pretty little thing. And we'll airbrush her hair, make her look gorgeous, and yeah. So anyway, stay tuned. There's lots coming. I got another one I want to start working on as well. I got a whole bunch of them, and I'm working on the Monica of Hollywood doll. She's coming along pretty good. Let's do a small update right now on this. So we're just going to take a look at her head. I'll just show you the head of her. And so anyways, here's her head. I've spackled it. Now I'm coming up closer up to here. I've done some sanding on her, but she looks pretty good. I can't get quite up into the hair, but I'm pretty close, you know, in the hairline. So we're going to go with it. I think she looks pretty good so far. Lots of wonderful sanding going on, but I still need more. I need a little bit more spackling up in here, but hey, it's coming. So thank you for joining me. Leave me your comments and subscribe if you're passing by and you say, hey, I like this woman. And you know what I say to you? I say, I understand why you do. All right then, everybody. Have a great day. I hope your weekend's going great. And if you're working, may the week pass fast to the next weekend. All right, thanks again for joining me. Bye-bye.